What you just saw there was laser cleaning. So we're removing rust using a laser. This is quite a new technology and there's not many places in the UK that have been able to look at it yet, but now that we've got a laser cleaning machine, we're actually testing it out. What we've got here is a pair of BSA motorcycle barrels that a friend of mine has kindly lent me to have a go with. Now, the big problem with these is it's got all these deep finned areas and they go rusty over time, and there's no normal effective way to remove this rust. You can't physically get right into all of these close together veins in order to clean them. And as they're an expensive item and you've got an expensive bike, you're going to want them to look good. So using this laser machine, we can clean them perfectly. So let's see it in action. This laser machine removes all the rust and dirt and grease and paint through a process called ablation. What it's basically doing is the light is superheating it really quickly, which vaporises it. On thicker coatings like paint, it takes quite a lot of passes, but this goes through rust at a rate of knots. It's fantastic. The big advantage with cleaning with a laser is no media is involved at all. On this job here, you wouldn't be able to use media because you'd end up putting media into the surface of the metal, and because this is engine running surfaces, if you were to do that, you'd probably ruin it and you'd end up having to have it relined. So the other thing that's great with this laser is its line of sight cleaning. If you can see it and you can point the laser at it, then it's going to clean it. So all those fins we can get down and clean in between them. If you're enjoying seeing our laser machine, please take the time to subscribe to the channel. That way you'll see more videos as they come out, and one of the things we're going to explore next is the welding capabilities. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps our videos get noticed. Here I'm going over it from multiple angles just to try and ensure that I get into all the nooks and crannies with this laser. Where the areas are more soiled with dirt and paint, or if they've got a deeper corrosion, then you have to go over a few times. Look how you can point it right down into the bottom of those fins. Let's take a look at that whole process, but in a time lapse. Now let's take it where we've got a bit more light. There you can see how clean the overall casting is, and look how that laser has removed the rust right from the bottom of those really deep veins. If you would like your barrels cleaning just like this, then please contact us. Our details are at the end of the video and also in the description down below.